In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite collaborators on a Pinterest board. If you want to work on a shared board with other people, Pinterest makes that process pretty simple. Inviting collaborators is useful when you want multiple people to save pins to the same board, whether that's for planning ideas, managing content, or building inspiration together. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by going to your Pinterest profile and opening the board you want to share. This is important because collaborator settings are managed inside each individual board, so you'll need to make sure you're on the exact board where you want others to contribute. Once you've opened it, take a moment to confirm it's the right one before moving on. Next, tap the plus icon or open the menu and select Edit Board. Depending on the device you're using or the version of the app, the option may appear in slightly different places, but both parts are meant to take you to the board settings. If you don't immediately see one option, just look for the other. The goal here is to enter the board editing screen. After that, look for the Collaborators field. This is the section where Pinterest lets you add people who can contribute to the board. When you find it, tap into that field so you can begin searching for the person you want to invite. Now type the name, email, or username of the person you want to add. Pinterest may show matching results as you type, which can help you quickly find the correct account. If you're inviting someone, it's always a good idea to double check that you've selected the right profile before sending the invitation, especially if several accounts have similar names. Once you've chosen the person, tap Invite or Done to send the invitation. After that, the invitation will be sent, and the other person can accept it from their Pinterest account. When they accept, they'll be able to collaborate on the board based on the permissions Pinterest allows for shared boards. And that's all it takes to invite collaborators on a Pinterest board. If the invitation doesn't seem to go through, make sure the name or username is entered correctly and that you're editing the correct board. With just a few taps, you can turn a regular board into a shared space for teamwork and idea gathering.